On this episode, I say a bad word. I show you my flange wizard. And then I have some water. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a broken ear to fix. It's not as heavy duty as the video did before. The material thickness is only 6 millimeters. I think the driver had too much fun with this one. This cylinder lifts up the tarp. I wanted to remove the whole cylinder so I can get some working room. But it doesn't go as planned. Try and wake it up with a hammer. Just won't budge. Time for plan B. Wedge it up. Yep, there's enough room. Let's cut it off. Gonna use a torch. Easier and faster. When you're doing these kind of works, just be careful so you don't damage the mounting bracket. That one. And success. Nice job. I'm gonna copy the ears from the other side because they're the same. It's a mirror image. Doing some measurements. Pass it onto a cardboard. And then transfer it onto metal. Some of you guys was wondering what's the name of the straight edge I was using. It's a flange wizard, made in USA. I think it's on Amazon. Check it out. I would like to say thanks for everybody that's subscribing and joining me on my welding journey. You guys have been great. And if you're new here, you want to join me on my welding journey, hit that subscribe button. I'm learning a lot. I'm getting tips from you guys. And it's going great. Cutting done. Clean where the plates are gonna mount. Clean everything up, make it nice so you're ready to weld. Holes are made, ready to get them mounted. Put them in place, hold them with a clamp, set them where you want, tap them in, just tap them in. Tap.
Just tap it in, just tap it in.
Nothing like a cold ice water before a weld. I'm using my favorite 70-18 rods, 1/8 thickness, around 100 amps. Perfect for this. (70-18) It's a bit hard to get going, but once you get going, it goes. All tacked up in place, remove the clamp so we can do the final welds. There's a neat story on why I use plywood to sit on. When you're sweaty, I actually grounded my balls out on this same kind of fender, so that's not gonna happen again. It was painful, tell you. What kind of music do you guys listen to when you're doing this kind of work? I think on this part of the video I was listening to some heavy metal, but I like all kind of music. If you got some cool music, please let me know down in the comment section. I'll check them out and I'll put them in my playlist. I like country, reggae, rap, heavy metal, everything, even some Latin. I don't care. As long as I like it, I'll listen to it. Here comes the driver, just in time. Don't have too much fun with it again, please. Thank you so much for watching, boys, and I'll see you in the next video. Not my best welds, but it will hold.